To open multiple projects in separate windows on VS Code, first is to click on the file here at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on New Window. Once you do that, it opens up a new window and you can toggle between any of this window. A simple shortcut on Windows to do this is just to press Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard. Second way to go about this is using the Workspace. To open up multiple projects using the Workspace, first click on File at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Open Folder and select the folder you want to work on. And then now you can add on that folder that you want to add to the Workspace by simply clicking on File again and click Add Folder to Workspace. Select the second folder, click and select, click on Add. And if you want to add more folders, like maybe a third folder, you can just go ahead and click on File again, Add Folder to Workspace, then choose the third folder, click on Add. You can follow this process to add as many folders to this Workspace as you want. And as you can see here, we have 3 folders here: AI Music Prompt Generator app, Bible Reading Plan app, and the CGPA converter. Now the next thing you want to do is to save the Workspace. To save the Workspace, click on File again, then click on Save Workspace As. Now choose where you want to save the Workspace. In my case, I'm just going to select Desktop, and then you can give the workspace any name you want. I'm just going to call it New Workspace for the sake of this video. And that is it. The Workspace has been saved. And if I open up my File Explorer, here you can see here I have New Workspace saved on my desktop, because usually once you save the Workspace, VS Code will create a .code-workspace file for you on your system, and you can easily open that to access the Workspace. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.